Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Bento username in 2026. If you want to update your profile URL or use a new username for your personal brand or business, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, click your profile icon or open the settings section. Next, look for the profile, account, or username option. This is where you can manage your public profile information and update your username. Now click on your current username and enter the new one you'd like to use. Choose a username that's easy to remember, matches your brand, and doesn't contain spelling mistakes. Next, if Bento checks username availability, wait a moment to confirm that your new username is available. If it's already taken, try a different variation until you find one that's available. Once you've selected your new username, click Save, Update, or Confirm to apply the changes to your account. Now visit your public Bento page using the updated link to make sure the new username is working correctly. You should also update the link anywhere you've previously shared it, such as your social media bios or website. Finally, review your profile to confirm that everything looks correct after the update. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to change your Bento username step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.